G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? I'm back in this bathroom. I've been off for a couple of weeks because I stuffed my back. I hurt my back, and the pain was going down my left leg, and then I had that fixed, and then it transferred over to my right leg. It wasn't that bloody good. I wasn't able to walk. So yeah, I just had a couple of weeks off, but no biggie. You know, all the people that I do bathrooms for, all they said all the time was, Chriso, you know, just get better, mate, and we'll see you when we're able to. So I'm doing this floor now. It's a pre-made shower screen in this bathroom, and the measurement of the screen is 950. So what I've done is gone out 965 off my wall, allowing for glue and tile. So it's all good. So I've gone 965 out there, 965 out there. So I'm just now laying out my tiles ready to cut, and then I put in my water stop on that line. A water stop goes across there, and we're laughing. I'll show you as I go. I'll cut these tiles and I'll come back to you. We'll see you soon. Oh, this is Chriso. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Press that little button where it says subscribe. We're laughing. See you, people.